2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind to this whole waste.
Y'all, I don't know if their air was broke or what, but it was so hot in there. If I thought I had sweated my hair out before, oh, it's a wrap now for real. It was so hot, but guess what? I gotta go work out because we have goals. We got goals. So I'm gonna work out. Today is gonna be my first day of working out. Today is Sunday, July 7th, and I wanna get 2 workouts in. Well, technically, I guess I got 1 in. The way I'm sweating, like I'm still sweating all down my neck. So I guess I really got 1 in because I skated for about maybe 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. And I'm gonna do a workout in the gym.
She don't want Hallmark, she want Amex, and I'm inclined. Face card valid, don't never press it, crime. Come on, make it to my lobby, it can't be prime. Time policies can't be mine. Nah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind to this whole waste.
To South Carolina. Y'all see all this stuff back here. I have to like restock all of my supplies. So I do government contracting. So I just basically do different service contracts for the government. So one of my contracts is in South Carolina, and I have a group of employees in South Carolina. They basically do cleaning for multiple buildings in South Carolina, and part of my contract is restocking all of the consumables like the toilet paper, the paper towels, and stuff like that, cleaning products. So that's what you see back here. So I'm headed to restock. I normally go up once a month and do the restock. I'm trying to find a more efficient way to do it, but once a month really is not that bad. So yeah, that's what I'm heading to do now. Little boys in our family that will be here with us all summer long, so we decided to do a quick family beach trip. So that's what we're doing, headed to the beach. So I'm washing out their beach towels to make sure that they're good and ready to go. I like to wash new things before I get them, and we have arrived. We're here. It is so beautiful, and we are gonna relax.